Okay, pang ating 10th map. Tips, draw swimming pool. Ayan. Meron lang tayong swimming pool na category. And ito yan. This one. Ito yung ating swimming pool. Oh, mali. Pwede ko gumamit ng G or 7. Ang ginamit ko is 7. Then ito. Itong bilog na to, huwag kayong malinito dito ha. This is not a swimming pool. This is a trampoline. Yan. So, ayan. Kapag maliit na block, usually, ano yan? Trampoline yan. So, same din sila lagi na nasa backyard ng isang house. So, ito lang yung label natin dyan. Then, Control A na. Submit.